Good morning, student. I Purnima welcome you to my class, and I'm going to repeat the same lesson, A Truly Beautiful Mind by Albert Einstein. So children, in this lesson, lot of biographical sketches of Albert Einstein is being discussed here, who was one of the most genius person of the world. In fact, by discovering his theory of relativity, he became one of the most famous person also. Okay, so in this lesson, the detailed account of his childhood, what his headmaster told to his father, what how his children, when he was in his childhood, how his friend used to avoid him and used to call him brother boarding. All this thing is being discussed here. So children, this lesson gives a detailed account of a famous German physicist who propounded a special theory of relativity according to which E is equal to mc square. Here E stands for energy, m stands for mass, and c for the speed of the light in a vacuum, about 300,000 uh, kilometer per second. In 1921, he was honored with the Nobel Prize for Physics. When Nazis came to power in Germany, he emigrated to the United States. There he wrote to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt that a single bomb could destroy a port as well as its surrounding territory. Then America developed the atomic bomb and dropped it on the cities of Hiroshima and in Japan. Deeply moved with the destruction, he campaigned against armed races and worked for peace and democracy. Now children, we are going to do all the important, I'm going to do all, revise all the important points of the lesson. So in this chapter, we will begin with the birth and education of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879. So he was born on March 14, 1879 in the German city of Ulm. So children, here in this video, I'm going to describe about his birth and education. I mean to say, I'm going to tell you about his early childhood days. So children, he was born on March 14, 1879 in the German city of Ulm. For about 2.5 years, he could not talk. His playmates called him Brother Boring. Seeing his newborn sister Maza, he said, "Where are her wheels?" At the school, his headmaster told the boy would never make a success at anything. When he called his father, in fact, and he told him whatever career he would choose, he will not get success at anything. At the age of 6, he learned to play the violin. He became a gifted violinist when he was 15. The family came to Munich. He did not like the earliest discipline of the school. After much discussion, he continued his education in German-speaking Switzerland. He fell in love with a fellow student. Albert was highly gifted in mathematics, though he had great interest in physics. He graduated from the University of Zurich. Then he fell in love with a fellow student named Maliva Marik. After graduation, he worked as a teaching assistant and gave private lessons. In 1902, he was a technical expert in the patent office in Berlin. In 1905, his paper on special theory of relativity described the world's most famous formula. It described the relationship between mass and energy is equal, which is, he told, E is equal to mc square. Then he wanted to marry Minerva Miliva, but his mother told she was against his marriage as she was 3 years older than him. And beside, her mother was very much aware that she was a very intelligent girl with a nice academic field, and definitely she will not like to do simple domestic work. One day her ambition will arise and she would like to do some job, and this happened later also. So but finally children, in 1903 both married, and they were blessed with 2 sons also. But after a few years the marriage became weak and Mileva started posing her intellectual ambition. She became an unhappy housewife. In 1919, the couple discovered, then Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. So in 1919, children, they were divorced. They gave divorce to each other. And children, then Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. Rising to world fame in 1915, he had published his general theory of relativity. It gave a new meaning to the word gravity. There occurred the sun eclipse in 1919 and his theory was found accurate. The newspaper gave him a wide publicity. They called his work as a scientific revolution. For his genius, he was given the Nobel Prize in 1921. The whole world praised his work. Now, children, in 1933, the Nazis came to power in Germany, so he immigrated to the United States. After 5 years, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin put the American physicists in an uproar. They were afraid of the Nazis, who could build and use an atomic bomb. A friend of Einstein urged him to write to the American president. Accordingly, Einstein wrote and won. A single bomb exploded in port might very well destroy some of the surrounding territory. Then America secretly developed the atomic bomb. It was dropped over the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. The destruction moved Einstein. He again wrote to the United Nations to form a world government. Then Einstein became involved in politics. He spoke against the armed buildup. He campaigned for peace and democracy. Children, he died in 1955 at the age of 76. He was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen. He was really a scientific genius. So you can see, children, how I mean to say, children, how a person who was considered brother boarding by his colleague, even his mother could not judge him because he was a bit slow learner, and when he learned how to speak, he spoke twice. So his mother used to think that he is a freak. Okay, and the worst thing was happened when the headmaster of the school called to his father, and he told that this child will not able to get success in his life. So all this thing, poor child, poor boy Einstein had to suffer. But children, destiny had something else in his. He had to say something else. Destiny was, a lady luck was smiling at him, and at the age of 15 he proved himself that he is not a stupid person. He can do a lot of things in a children in his career, and he had proved this to the world. The person who used to call him, his mother, free, the headmaster used to call him that he will not never get a success, even they must be astonished. So children, this is in this lesson we have already discussed a lot of thing about Albert Einstein, and now children, we will be telling about his children. Then his marriage, there were a lot of ups and downs also in his life. Like children, the marriage did not become successful. His mother already told him not to marry the girl, but he did not listen. He married the same girl, and children, he could not get success in his life. Okay, and he thought that they both will live happily because they are in the same field. But unfortunately, children, they got divorced in 1919, and finally Mileva, she left 2 sons, and for that he had to marry his cousin Elsa to look after his house and 2 sons. But children, time is not the same. In career, he was rising high. Children, to the word he had, when he had given his theory of relativity, he had he had been by watch each and a country of the world. He was being invited to read his paper, and children, all the media through light on and through focus at him. by telling that he is one of the most genius person of the world. Then children, when Nazis came to Germany, children, he immigrated to the United States because he was feeling scared that they might make an atomic bomb. And after 5 years, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin put the American physicists in an uproar. Even American physicists, they were worried. They were afraid of the Nazis who could build and they can use also an atomic bomb. Well, finally, children, he wrote the. He was so afraid that he had to write a letter to the American president, and he told the result of the atom bomb when it will be dropped. But children, nobody paid attention. And finally, children, America himself thought when he dropped the bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Einstein was moved. Okay, and then he wanted to frame a world government to control all this thing. He spoke against the arm buildup. Children, he was the person who campaigned for peace and democracy of the world. Okay, so but finally he was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen. Now he was really a scientific genius, and now children, we will be doing the question and answer of this lesson. Now I want to discuss you what type of question and answer come in the examination. So children, in the examination, children, three type of question and answer is there. One is one word question answer, and the other is one sentence question and answer, and the other is 30 to 40 words question and answer, and the last question answer is long question answer. So in one word answer, you have generally you have to take or write the children a number of the word and that particular word which is the answer. In one sentence, like children, just now I told, write down the name of Einstein's theory. So you don't have to write theory of relativity. If you will write this answer, you will get only half marks. Okay, so children, you have to write that theory of the name of Einstein theory of relativity. The name of Einstein theory is the theory of relativity. Okay, like here, when did he secure a job? So you have to write full answer. Einstein secured a job in 1902 to work as a technical expert. To work as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. Then children, this question is there. When did Einstein has his graduation? Einstein had his graduation at the University of Zurich in 1900. Then when did Einstein has his graduation? He had his graduation in University of Zurich in 1900. Now children, when Einstein found to be a clever, whom Einstein found to be a clever creature, so we can say Mileva Marek was found to be a clever creature by Einstein. Then how did he get admission in Switzerland? He got there after a long discussion. Why did Einstein hate the high school in Munich? He hated it because of strict, so you can write like this. Einstein hated the high school in Munich because of the strict discipline in the school. Then which skill was maintained by him throughout his life? He maintained the skill of violinist. And what was his what was favorite with Einstein? He loved, when he was a child, he used to love mechanical toys. He used to play with the mechanical toys. What was told by the headmaster about Einstein? The headmaster called his father and told that Einstein will never make a success at anything. Now, what did Einstein speak about his newborn sister Maza? He spoke, where are her ways? How he was called by his playmates? He was called a brother boring. How did Einstein stutter in the beginning? Einstein uttered everything twice. Why did his mother think him a freak? It was because his head was too large. And then when and where was Einstein born? Einstein was born on March 14, 1879 in the German city of Ulm. Okay, so children, these are some of the short questions. Then few more short questions are there. How was Einstein celebrated? He died in 1955 and was celebrated as a visionary, world citizen and scientific genius. Which campaign was launched by him? It was campaign for peace and democracy, which was launched by Einstein. Which of the cities were exploded by the Americans? The cities which were exploded by the Americans were Nagasaki and Hiroshima in Japan. Write down the Einstein warning to the American president. A single Einstein children wrote a letter to American President Franklin D. Roosevelt and he said in that letter, a single bomb exploded in a port might destroy not only the port but also some of the surrounding territories. Why had Einstein migrated to United States? Einstein had migrated to United States because the Nazi came to power in Germany. When did Einstein receive the Nobel Prize? Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. To whom did he, why did the couple take divorce? Children, or we can start with why was Einstein mother against the marriage with Meliva? Because she was 3 years older than Einstein, and at the same time her mother thought that has a good academic career and she might be highly ambitious later on, and she will not like to do the domestic work. She would like to do some job. So she told Einstein not to marry her. And main thing was that she was 3 years older. She did not want her son to get married with a 3 years older woman. Now, why did the couple take divorce? There was a constant fines which compelled to take divorce in 1919. To whom did he finally marry? He married his cousin Elsa the same year. Now, so children, these are one word answer. And now children, I will be telling that some short question answer we will be discussing. Okay. So Albert mother formed a poor opinion about her son. Write down 2 reasons. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879 in the German city of Ulm. His mother disapproved of the boy who could not behave or think like other, so she thought him a freak. For about 2.5 years, Einstein did not talk. Even his head seemed too large for her. He uttered everything twice. What was the nickname given to Albert by his playmate? Albert loved to play with the children, but he did not know what to do with other children. He uttered everything twice. His playmate did not want his company. They nicknamed him Brother Boring. So Albert spent most of his time in playing himself. What was something funny about Albert Einstein, children? In his boyhood, Albert did not show any sign of greatness. His head was very large. His mother considered him to be a freak. When he saw at his newborn sister Maza, he spoke out, "Where are her wheels?" So these are some of the funniest words spoken by Albert Einstein, and from where these ideas came to him, nobody know. He uttered everything twice. He was a bit different from other child. This point expresses something funny about Albert. Question number 4. How did the headmaster opinion about the boy Albert? So children, during his boyhood, the boy Albert was sent to school. There he did not show any good sign of his progress. Even the headmaster of the school told his father that he would never make a success at everything. It did not matter whatever profession he might choose. Einstein was gifted violinist. Detail the relevant fact in this regard. Children, when Einstein was of 6 years old, he took keen interest in the violin. He started playing on it. His mother too desired that Albert should learn it. He practiced laboriously and became a gifted amateur violinist. He maintained his skill throughout his life. Why did Albert leave the school for good? Albert left the school for good, children, because he was not a bad pupil during his school days, but there was an extreme sense of discipline. The student had to remain under harsh order. He hated this type of discipline. He often clashed with his teacher. Tired and suffocated with this atmosphere, Albert left the school forever. At which place Albert continued his education, children. Albert was fed up with the strict discipline at high school in Munich, so he left the school for good. He wanted to continue his studies. He had a long discussion with his parents for his education. He wanted to join the German-speaking institution. Ultimately, he got success. He had his admission in German-speaking Switzerland. This place was respected and understood the feeling of other people. How did Albert feel a special interest in Mileva Mari? How did Albert and Mileva Mari fall in love? For higher studies, Albert joined a university in Zurich. In addition to study mathematics, he was interested in physics. There at the university, he felt a special interest in a fellow student, Mary. He called her a clever creature. She was one of the students studying there. He found in the girl something against art and literature. Both fell in love. Where and what Albert did after his graduation. After becoming the university graduate, Albert was unemployed. At that time, he worked as a teaching assistant. He gave private lesson. In 1902, he got a job of technical expert in the patent office in Bern, but he remained busy there in developing his own idea secretly. What work was entrusted to Albert in Bern patent office? Albert did not remain unemployed for a long period. After graduation, so children, Albert was celebrated as the world citizen, right? A reason apply. Albert Einstein died in 1955. At that time, he was 76. The mass destruction in Japan had deeply affected his heart. He advocated for world government. He campaigned for peace and democracy. As he worked for the humanity, he was celebrated as a visionary and the world citizen, though he was a scientific genius as well. What was the effect of Albert's letter to the American president? The letter of Albert has a deep impact on Franklin D. Roosevelt, the American president. As a result of this, the Americans developed the atomic bomb in secret. They dropped it over the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan in August 1945. What made Albert and others free from Germany? In 1933, Nazis came to power in Germany. It was hard for Einstein and others to work and stay. Accordingly, Einstein immigrated to the United States. Others too followed him. They viewed that Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. Albert was landed throughout the worldwide due to the scientific revolution by giving new meaning to gravity. Albert became the famous physicist of the world. He was heaped with honors and invitation throughout the world. The press lauded him for his laborious work. He received the Nobel Prize for Physics. Why did the newspaper proclaim Albert's work as a scientific revolution? Albert's general theory of relativity was published in 1915. It gave a new meaning to gravity in 1919. There was the sun eclipse. It proved Albert's theory accurate as he had calculated in advance about the light from the fixed stars would be deflected through the gravitational force of the sun. This added a new chapter in the scientific world. The newspaper landed his work. They declared it as a scientific revolution. The marriage faltered between Albert and Mary. How? First of all, Albert and Maria were in deep love, so their marriage matured in 1903 because they have to go face lots of ups and downs. Especially Albert has to face a lot of opposition from his mother. Anyway, marriage took place in 1903. They were blessed with 2 sons, and after a few years, Mary started losing her intellectual ambition. She turned to be an unhappy housewife. Both went on fighting. Ultimately, the marriage faltered. They had to take divorce in 1919. Children, why was Albert's mother against marrying Mileva Mary? Children, Albert's mother did not like Albert to marry with Mileva Mary. She held the view that the girl was 3 years older than her son Albert, so she was very old for him. Secondly, his mother was troubled due to her intelligence. His mother said, "She is a book like Albert." So Einstein waited off the marriage in the beginning. Children, Albert gave the world the most famous formula. What is the formula? His special theory of relativity specified that time and distance are not absolute. He gave a new formula which described the relationship between mass and energy. E is equal to mc square. Here, E stands for energy, M for mass, and E for the speed of the light in a vacuum, about 300,000 km per second. Okay, so children, these are the question and answer which are of 30 to 40 words, and 4 and 5 question answer will come in your examination, children. Okay. Now, what work was entrusted to Albert in Bonn Patent Office? Albert did not remain unemployed for a long period. After graduation, he got the job. He got the job of technical expert in the patent office in Bonn. There he was to assist the invention of other people, but he was secretly developing his own idea. While at work, he called his desk drawer Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Where and what Albert did after his graduation. After becoming the university graduation, Albert was unemployed. At that time, he worked as a teaching assistant. He gave private lessons. In 1902, he got a job of technical expert in the patent office in Bern, but he remained busy there in developing his own idea secretly. How did Albert and Mileva Mary fall in love? For higher studies, Albert joined university in Zurich. In addition to study mathematics, he was interested in physics. There at the university, he felt a special interest in a fellow student named Mileva Mary. He felt a special interest in a fellow student whose name was Mileva Mary. He called her a clever creature. She was one of the students studying there. He found in the girl something against art and literature, and their children, even he did not like art and literature, so children, he fell in love. So children, now children, we will do some long question and answer. Now long question and answer are of two types. Okay, first is moral value question and answer, then character sketch, and then few answer I am described to you. Like, how did Albert develop relation? This one, write down the achievement of Albert Einstein, or we can say why is Albert Einstein called the scientific genius. So Albert Einstein was really a scientific genius. He was at home in mathematics. He was at home and he loved mathematics, but he showed keen interest in physics. After graduation from university in Zurich, he started working vigorously. In his university education, he was working on relativity. After his graduation, he remained jobless, so he gave private lessons. In 1902, he secured a job as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. There he was to assist the invention of other people, but he went on developing his own ideas. Working secretly, he called his desk drawer Bureau of Theoretical Physics. His theory of relativity expressed the view that time and distance are not absolute. He gave a world-famed formula E is equal to mc square, where E stands for energy, M for mass, and C for speed of the light in vacuum, about 300,000 km per second. In 1950, his general theory of relativity was published. He gave a new meaning to gravity. He calculated in advance about light from fixed stars would be deflected by the sun gravitational field. It was found accurate. The world showered on him honors and invitations. He was honored with the Nobel Prize in 1921. Now one more question, children. What role did Albert play after emigrating to the United States? Or why did Albert write a letter to the American president? Detail its result. In 1933, the Nazis came to power. Einstein thought it most appropriate to emigrate to the United States of America. Others too followed his course. After 5 years, there was a discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin. The American physicists became very upset. They viewed that Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. Albert Friend urged Einstein to write a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt in which he warned. A single bomb of this type exploded in a port, very well destroy the whole, not only the whole port but the surrounding territory also. As a result of this warning, the Americans prepared the atomic bomb secretly. They dropped it over Hiroshima and Nagasaki. It caused a great ruin. Albert was much aggrieved. He wrote to the United Nations for the world government, but it had no impact. Then he became interested in politics. He agitated to end up the arms buildup race. He campaigned for peace and democracy. Now children, then there are many questions now. Which ground compelled the couple to go for divorce, which we have already discussed. Yeah, Albert was appropriately celebrated both visionary and scientific genius. So this is good question children. Albert was a man of high caliber. He had a scientific mind through he was expert in mathematics. For university degree, he went to the university in Zurich and worked on relativity. After his graduation, Albert got a job as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. There he developed his own ideas secretly. In 1905, his famous papers came with a special theory of relativity. It specified that time and distance are not absolute. He gave the famous formula E is equal to mc square. In 1950, he had published his general theory of relativity, which gave a new interpretation of gravity. And children, at the time of the solar eclipse, it proved true also. It proved accurate. Consequently, he was lauded by the world and the press. He received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. After a letter from Albert, America devised an atom bomb and over Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The mass destruction touched his heart. Then he agitated to end up the arms buildup. He campaigned for peace and democracy. Thus, he wanted humanity to survive because he wanted that nobody should die, humanity should survive. He died at the age of 76 due to his tireless efforts and new formula and work for the humanity. He was celebrated both as a visionary and a scientific genius. With this children, I complete my video here. I conclude my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.